Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great week, and just want to wish you a happy new year. I hope that this coming year, 2022, would be a great year for you and a profitable year in the forex market. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPUSD and GBPJPY. And as usual, I'll start from the 4 hour time, the weekly time frame, head down to the daily time frame, and then the 4 hourly time frame where we normally take our entry. So first of all, I'll start with GBP USD, and then as you can see from the weekly time frame, there was a break of this area over here, which was a very strong support level, and then price bounced off this other support level here, which I marked out, and that was the 1.34 level, and bounced up, breaking above this area again and continuing all the way to the top. Now, what I'm expecting in the coming week is for a price continuation, at least to the trend line over here. That's around the 1.36 level. And then we'll see how price react to the 1.36 level. So we're about 80, 70 pips away from that level. And then we'll see how price reacts when it gets there. On the daily time frame, you can see what I'm talking about. I have plotted some areas of interest noted by the thin black line, and as you can see, price has broken above this next level, which is the 1.35 level. Between the 1.35 and the 1.36 is about 100 pips. So I'm expecting this 100 pip move all the way to this area here, which coincides with the 1.36 psychological level, as well as this zone here, which was tested several times as well. And this also coincides with the trend line over here. So this area here is a key area for us, and I'm looking for price reaction, either a bounce off that area to the downside, back down to this zone here around the 1.34 area, or a break of that level and possibly a retest, and then a continuation to the upside. Okay, so that's why this area here is a major area for us in the coming weeks ahead. Okay, now if we move on to the 4 hour time frame where we take our entry, so this is what we're looking at. Basically, price again has broken this psychological level of 1.35, which, and I mentioned is a major area for us. Price came up to this area, formed this bullish pin bar over here, as you can see by this long wick rejection, meaning that there were sellers, there were buyers here, and all the way to the upside. Now price looks to be forming this smaller bullish bearish candle as against this bullish candle here. So this is an inside bar that is forming. All right, so if the inside bar closes like this, and just like I mentioned in other videos how to trade the inside bar, normally I would put in my line at the high and at the low, and I will be expecting for a break of either of this level, either the high or the low. Okay, so if price breaks this low on the 4 hour candle and closes below it, then it could mean a continuation to the downside, either back down to this level here, or break it further and all the way back down, or if price breaks this level to the upside, then I'll expect price to continue all the way to the top. For now, I won't be taking any trade on GBP USD until price gets all the way to the zone that I'm expecting it to get to, which is this zone over here. Okay, so once price gets to that trend line here, then this is where I'm looking to take my entry, either if there is a bullish reverse, a bearish reversal pattern back to the downside, or if there is a break above that area, and then I'll enter on a retest and take my buy trade to the upside. So generally I am bullish on GBP USD as well, and I'll be expecting price to get to this 1.36 level area, and this is where I'll be looking to take either a buy or sell trade depending on what price gives to us. My bias, even though I said it's more bullish, but anything can happen, and price could just give us a sell signal, and then we'll take it. But I'm expecting price to give us mostly a buy signal, and then we'll capitalize on the move to the upside, and hopefully we can gain a lot of pips from that move in the upcoming week. This has been my analysis for GBPUSD. Next, I'll be talking about my analysis for GBPJPY. So for GBPJPY, again, we'll be going through from the weekly time frame, then we'll take our analysis all the way down to the 4 hourly time frame. Now, from the weekly time frame, the last couple of weeks when I did my last analysis video, I was expecting price to bounce off this area here because it's tested this several times. So this area was very strong and it held, and that's exactly what happened, and bounced off, broke the trend line, and continued all the way up to this level here, which is a very strong resistance area, as it has been tested 1, 2, 3 times now, even here as well. So in this area, this break here was more of a fake out, and then price went back down, and now it's come back to test it. So what we'll be looking for is a reaction around this area, either price to bounce off that area to the downside, or a break to the upside as well. So this is what we'll be looking at for the upcoming week, and this area here is very key for us. Okay, and that is the 156 level. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, again, we can see that price is still around that area, and what we'll be looking for is either a break or a retest. So if there's a break of this area, we have to come back down and enter on the retest if price gives us a bullish um, um, reversal pattern over here. Then we'll take our buy trades all the way to this next area. So the reason why we're not going to rush to enter the trade is they could be a fake out, just like this area here. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at and see how price reacts. So price may get there, reverse, and we'll be looking to take our trades here on the formation of a bullish reversal pattern. On the other hand, if price gets, so as price is here, if price gives us a bearish reversal pattern, then we could be looking to sell just for a short time all the way down to this area here, and price may end up giving us a bullish pattern, reversal pattern, break up there, come back down to retest level, and a continuation to the upside. Okay, so this one I'm actually expecting to see. I'm expecting to see price bounce to this downside here, to this level, to give us some sort of good or better opportunity to buy the market at a good price, then take it to the upside, either to this level here, all the way to this level, giving us almost a more than a thousand pips on that particular move. So hopefully, we can capitalize on that move to the upside. Again, we have to be very patient to wait for price to play out. Okay. The 4 hour time frame is where we normally take our entry, and that is where we'll be looking to capitalize on this move. So any strong bearish reversal pattern, then we could end up taking our sell trade, like I said, down here, and then eventually buy trade to the upside. But if this doesn't happen and price breaks to the upside, then we should be looking to take a buy trade on the retest, and take it all the way to the upside. Okay, so generally bullish on GBP JPY as well, but if price gives us a sell opportunity, we can capitalize on that, and if it gives us a good buy opportunity, then we'll capitalize on it. But overall, where price is now is a very key area, and we just need to be patient for price to give us that reaction that we are looking out for. So this has been my analysis for GBP JPY and GBP USD. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If it has, kindly leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, as we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Kindly help us get to that milestone. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.